On this episode of Doorbell Mania.
You said what? Hey, bro, give me that.
We got a problem? You got one? There's no argument about it. Hey, man, don't take your one on what's going.
DEA. Police on their way right now.
Put my package back.
Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my
Will
porch,
you please
dude.
put my... I'm calling the cops right now.
Orlando, Florida. Always remember to keep your doors locked. Roselle, New Jersey. A car ran a stop sign early in the morning, and to avoid an accident, this car had to swerve. Queens, New York. Plano, Texas.
DEA.
These guys are not the CPD, the DEA, the FBI, the ATF, none of that. Luckily, the homeowner and their family is okay now, and a police report has been made. Is this woman pregnant? This Bonnie and Clyde duo decides to leave this homeowner's property after discovering a camera is watching them. Charlotte, North Carolina. Approached this door late at night, almost midnight. This person is seen on ring cameras standing around, appearing to be incapable of blinking. Dallas, Texas.
You said what? Hey, bro, give me that.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, it now.
Get in here, Cindy. Get in here.
You should never open the door right now.
Staten Island, New York City.
We need to let them know that it's not
Just leave it alone.
something
Get her from there.
that we use. So when we talk to
Leave it alone. Get her
about
from there.
Scripture and God and Jesus, we need to use real words.
Meanwhile, back in Charlotte, North Carolina. How did this guy get back there on the back porch? And how come there's a doorbell back there but no entrance or exit? I don't know.
help you?
Hey, I was looking for Mary.
You have the wrong house.
Oh, do you know which one is Mary?
I don't know a Mary.
Okay, thank you. Sorry.
This nicely dressed man is acting way too goofy in broad daylight. Decatur, Georgia. Not sure if this is the new gangster look, but this guy on his way walking his dog decides to do something real sneaky. Meanwhile, I think I just caught this man or woman blinking. And they finally vacate the premises. Houston, Texas. This weirdo actually has a smirk on his face while he attempts to break into a resident's home in broad daylight. The homeowner comes outside and questions the man.
What's up, bro? How can I help you, bro?
This guy confronted an attempted burglar unarmed. Linden, New Jersey. Here's a prime example if you have a fence or a gate for your driveway to always lock it up, close it up. Especially at night, don't be lazy. It helps to avoid creeps and weirdos like this.
Yo, what the fuck you doing here, man?
Atlanta, Georgia. Was walking his dog late at night and randomly bumps into a big old house. Then attempts to get in while covering his fingerprints. If you're ever in a road rage situation, never get out of your car, especially to escalate the matter. Three guys attempted to get this person's valuables. Luckily, this person escaped and they chased the resident to their house and almost came in. Thankfully, they were able to close and lock the door in the nick of time. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Chicago, Illinois. This porch pirate is standing in the freezing cold, acting like he's waiting for someone, but he's really up to no good.
I'm going to Irene house.
I know where the office is. Everybody that you just called me.
Okay, I thought I ran on
Good job, nosy neighbor. Brandon, Florida. Why is this guy wearing a dashiki? And who is he talking to deep in the cut while waiting for the resident to answer the door?
Can't hear you. What you say?
How you doing? My friend told me to stop by. The guy with the cowboy boots, I was using Publix.
Cowboy boots and dashikis.
Yeah, you at the wrong house.
This guy needs to kick rocks.
Okay, if you got a man over there, tell him where Gio stop by. The guy that's always behind Publix.
What am I, your secretary?
Yeah, you at the wrong house.
Beat it, dashiki guy.
My bad. My apologies, sorry.
Alright.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more. Till next time, have a good one.
Police on their way right now.
Put my package back.
Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my
Will
porch,
you please
dude.
put my